the real secret to be rich just by stock investing. So this also includes some tips on how to avoid taxes just like rich. So rich by all definition, or at least by my definition, is who is really wealthy and who lives in a minimalist way and doesn't show off and really possess cash flow generating assets and consistently compounding quality assets. So let me simply get into it. So this is not for obviously for rich people, but somebody who wants to be rich and who is salaried kind of. So let's get into the topic directly. The real secret to be rich just by stock investing. So you get paid. Salary comes to your account. The current source, unlike rich, as we don't own any business of our own. So it's just salary. So you would be wondering, without a business, how can you be really rich? Like Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg. So let me explain it to you. So we'll get into the Warren Buffett way. Yes, the real stock investing. So you are getting the salary every month. You need to really save big from the salary. Obviously, you have to lead a minimalistic life. Yes, you have to spend on things you really need to spend. But if you have to be real rich and as you are only salaried, you need to save big and spend very less. Then invest the savings in stocks. Those are pieces of businesses run by skilled persons, much skilled than us. Keep buying at every dip while these quality stocks nosedives. Just like what is happening in Indian market, the market is going down every day. You are getting quality stocks at cheap prices or cheaper valuations. I'm not talking about the index. Index may have dipped 10%, but there are quality stocks, good businesses crashing down in price for you to buy. Also, you should think about buying good dividend stocks like Coal India as well to get passive income to ensure constant cash flow. Utilize SLB, stock lending and borrowing, wherein you can rent your long-term stocks and get rental yield, which is again a passive income, ensuring you constant cash flow. I have been really enjoying this stock SLB through my Zerodha portfolio, wherein many stocks like Interglobe, Aviation and all, Indigo, has been rented on monthly basis or on expiry basis. And anyhow, I am not going to sell the stocks for a very long time. So you can rent it out and get decent returns from them. I have already done a video on SLB if you are not aware of that. Now keep buying quality stocks with your salary income plus the passive income which you are getting from the SLB and dividend yields, and never sell. The basic rule, never sell until and unless the business fundamentals change. Now stocks keep growing over time and compounding effects kick in and the money multiplies. The portfolio size becomes bigger and bigger. Go a step ahead. If you are pro in this, pledge your stocks. Take loan against security. Again, I have done a video on that. It can be loan against your mutual fund or your stocks and get the money at cheaper rates. Reinvest them in sure shot multi-baggers and money again compounds. Enjoy exciting corporate actions like stock split, share buyback, right issues, etc. And the compounding effect even kicks in more. But never sell them. Never sell the stocks. Okay, now if you really want to sell, then sell the loss-making stocks. Yeah, then you can book some profits as well, equivalent to your loss, plus 1.25 lakhs every year and pay zero capital gain tax by means of tax loss harvesting. And as capital gains up to 1.2 lakh gains are exempted from tax from the last budget onwards. Earlier it was 1 lakh. Now 1 crore becomes 5 crore, 5 crore becomes 10 crore, 10 crore becomes 50, 50 becomes 100. So you would be thinking 100 crore. Oh my god, it's very big. So we all started from thousands, reached lakh, then to crore. That's how you compound the wealth. You never know. You are reinvesting everything. Your savings, your dividends, your rental yields from stocks, and even if you have other sources like your commercial real estate property, even fractional real estate investments like Strata, even your REITs wherein you get rental income, 90% of the profits are given back to you as dividends. So get into REITs and InvITs, then those income also you can reinvest. So you need to keep investing everything you got into this, just into this, so that the compounding effects kicks in and the money multiplies exponentially. Again, let me repeat, never sell them. Okay, now, only if it is tax efficient, then sell it like I told above. Otherwise, never sell. And if your fundamentals of the company changes and some basic shifts in the investing theme happens, and if you are in need of some urgent money, that is different, totally different. But you have got emergency funds and all. But till then, never sell. Now, as you identify that your salary is peanuts compared to your stock portfolio size and the passive income you are getting from all these assets, it's time for you to quit your job, your salaried job, then pay zero tax and enjoy life. Buy the dips, be greedy when others are fearful, and also in a longer term, with your strong investments only, we get the advantage of creating wealth while you sleep also. If you are trading, then the money doesn't compound while you are sleeping, or the money doesn't work for you while you are working, but you will in fact lose your sleep. So investment should be like that, compounding money while you sleep, and not those which destroys your sleep like trading. So invest, stay invested, keep investing, put everything into that. Even if it is crashing, then put more money, have enough liquidity, have some cash, put it in some silver ETF or some short-term recurring deposits as well. But have that liquidity. The best way which I am doing is I am invested in ETFs like silver ETF, wherein silver is also going up, and as the market crashes, you can sell those ETFs and then invest immediately from the same portfolio into quality stocks. So have some strategies like that. If you want any help on this or any guidance on this, I will help you in to my capacity possible from my investing experience. But stay strong, keep investing, never sell unless and until the conditions are met, and stay invested for very long, patiently, consistently, and keep increasing your investments so that you can sail from 1,000 rupees to 100 crore. So this is how you really compound your wealth. And also tax efficiency, I told you, so you need to be cautious of that as well. If the other person is non-income generating person, say non-salaried person, then you should keep the investments in her or his name, so that your TDS also on your dividends and all is also less or almost zero. And you should try to book profits only up to 1.25 lakhs and then still leave it for the next year if you really want to sell, so that it is tax efficient and capital gains are never paid by you unnecessarily. So that you again bringing that cash also which was supposed to be shut off by tax also into your portfolio, so that more compounding happens. So see you in next video. Till then, happy investing.